I saw something amazing this morning that just made my jaw drop. Like, really? Can it be that easy? Come on, Bella. All right, taking Bella out for a little walk this morning. We're on our way to, hopefully we make it to the coast, the Atlantic coast here in Savannah, Georgia today. So hopefully we make it to the beach. So we stayed at the Cracker Barrel that's over there through the fog. And what I saw this morning was a girl left here at the Sleep Inn. It's a hotel, and she came across the parking lot with her bicycle, and she put that bicycle on the back of her car and got in her car and drove away in about 30 seconds. There's something to be said for simplicity. You know, that monstrosity I have on the back of the Bounder, I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but it was just an example of how simplifying things. That bike, I mean, it must have had like a hook at the top of the frame. It just hooked, you just set it and it hooked on. And then down on the wheels, it just sounded like 2 zip ties. I heard, I mean, she lifted that thing up, and then it was still kind of dark out, you know, it was early, and I heard zip and another zip, you know, the front and back wheel, and that was it. She got in the car, started up, and drove away in 30 seconds. I'm like, I don't know. That it's part of the downsizing. I've talked about, you know, getting a smaller rig. Well, getting the van, that would certainly be downsizing, but it really just has me kind of, you know, I just want to get back to basics and have that, kind of get that camper feeling back, because I don't have it in the Bounder. It's not a camper. It's a, come on, Bella, this way, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Let's go back this way. So, you know, the Bounder is just, it's just moving my apartment around different places in the country. There's no camper feeling to it. And I just like to get back to basics. There's so much stuff in that Bounder, it's crazy. I mean, one for instance is, I probably have, and I'm not kidding, I probably have 6 or 7 different ways to make coffee. I just need one simple way. Enjoy my coffee, get rid of the clutter. You know, I have that feeling again. That feeling is back when I moved out of the house. And, said goodbye to that. Just so much clutter gets accumulated, and come on, Bella, come on. Yeah, in the one compartment, the one cupboard I have, I open it up and food storage containers come falling out, and what I don't need a bunch of food storage containers. Come on. Let's go this way. I even have Christmas decorations. Why? It really just has me wanting to pull the Bounder up beside a dumpster and getting rid of a bunch of stuff. So I think we're going to take a drive through Savannah this morning and head over towards the beach, see what we can see there. That'd be nice to find a dog-friendly beach. So many of them are not. See what happens there. You know, I just don't use the motorcycle as much anymore. I don't use it as much as I thought I would. You know, it comes in handy once in a long while. But, I don't know, the e-bike, or maybe just a regular bicycle. Yeah, I just don't need all that. Come on, Bella. Come on, girl. Here, let's get you unhooked. Okay. All right, I don't know what kind of rig this is up here, but you gotta see this. We're got the dash cam rolling. I don't, it's definitely a military type vehicle, but it's pulling a travel trailer. Now there's a setup, bicycle and motorcycle on the front. That's the I can go anywhere vehicle. Wow, pulling a travel trailer. Wow. Yeah, we just stopped here. We're still on our way to the beach. Don't know if the weather's going to cooperate, but we just stopped here at Walmart and did some grocery shopping. We'll get out of here. Had to show you that.
Head west.
I really need the weather to cooperate today. It'd be nice if it was a sunny day at the beach. The upside is, you know, if the weather's bad, it'll be easier to park. Less people will go to the beach on a bad day. Shouldn't have any problems parking the bounder, which the GPS thankfully routed us around downtown Savannah. I was looking at a places maybe to check out in downtown. There's two historic districts. There's Historic District South and Historic District North. I checked out some, you know, I go to Google Maps and the satellite view and the street view just to kind of check out, you know, parking and downtown Savannah in the historic districts. I'm not taking a bounder down there. And being rainy, I'm not even going to camp nearby and take the motorcycle. So downtown Savannah's out today. And I think the 10-day I hope it clears up. I think the 10-day forecast says there's rain coming, you know, for the next 3 or 4 days. Yeah, so but we're gonna see the Atlantic coast, dang it. Rain, snow, or shine, we're gonna see the Atlantic coast today. I love whenever you drive through a bunch of trees like this that are like a huge umbrella or over the road. It's almost like going through a tunnel through the trees. But this is the road to, I don't know how it's pronounced. It's T-Y-B-E-E. Is it Tybee Island? Tybee Island or Tybee Island? I've already eyed up a couple of parking lots. There is a campground in the area. We might check that out afterwards. But just in case, I've eyed up a couple of parking lots here in town. There's a Home Depot and a Big Lots. So we might be able to hang out overnight there or something. There's a sign, Turtle Crossing. There was also a sign back there that said that the water may cover the road during high tide. Sweet boy. So I don't know. I don't know what to think about that. How do you know? I don't know. I have to look for a tide chart and not come out, not leave the island until try not to leave it during high tide. Maybe it's something interesting for the locals to have to deal with, is whether they can go to town or not based on the tide level any particular day. There's a place down there that does, I don't know, I forget what it said, the sign, I didn't quite catch it actually. Some kind of tours. I don't think parking's going to be a problem here. Oh, you know, there's a sign, no pets on beach, no littering. had to download the parking app. $3.50 an hour to park here. So if you want to spend the day, take that into account. The wind's picking up, and they have the umbrellas down at the outdoor cafe, so that they, you know, so they don't blow away and get damaged. Oh boy! But we're gonna do this, dang it. All right, I know we might get a little wind noise here, but that's how it happens sometimes. I can see it way out there. Hang on, let me try to, maybe I can block the wind a little bit here. How's that? Whoa, almost lost my hat. Yeah, I put my hat on backwards. It'll stay on better. I think the plus side, well, one bonus here might be, it just feels like Washington weather, not Georgia. Maybe there's a hurricane moving in, I don't know. The plus side might be that, I'm not sure if this is a beach or not, but somebody said one of these beaches around here has a lot of sand dollars. So I don't know, that'd be nice to find a sand dollar. No, it has to be backwards. No options here. Woo! There it is. Oh, it's windy. See anything yet. You know, I was at the Atlantic Ocean, you remember, about a month ago when my transmission broke down and had to have it rebuilt down Jacksonville, a little ways to the south. I did come over, we went to a campground over here along the coast, and same thing, it was so windy and rainy, I didn't even record, but I thought I'm going to do it anyway this time. I don't see any signs of any sand dollars. I'm gonna get my tennis shoes wet. Back there. But there, I touched the I did contact the Atlantic Ocean. Wow. This is not the best of weather, that's for sure. Come on, let's get round two. Come on in here. Heck, the seagulls ain't even out. No ships. There is a lighthouse out there. Poor Bella, I feel so bad. I should have went and Googled dog-friendly beaches in Georgia, which I probably still will. And then maybe we'll go up the coast some more here the next day or two and find somewhere she can come and run. That would be nice. Okay, at risk of getting my shoes wet. Come on, water. Come on. And of course I did. Oh well. Oh well. Well, there we done it. It'd be nice if it was beautiful weather, calm, sunny, warm. But you know, out here, like I said before, it's not all, it can't always be campfires and marshmallows. Yeah, see, there's a sign up here. Take the test. Kind of test. They say how long it takes for different things to, like for litter, how long it takes for the environment to, you know, dissolve it up and everything. So if you can find a test, take it. A dead sand dollar leaves behind a hard white skeleton, call it a test. I guess that's a live one, that's a dead one. A live sand dollar feels like felt. It's soft, nubbly, and dark in color. It will not move in your hand. It plays dead, I guess. Yeah, beach rules. I'm sure we didn't break any of them. No pets. Not the best day to go to the beach, but we done it anyhow. There is the lighthouse out there. Yeah, that's probably about 200 or 300 yards inland. I'd figure the lighthouses would be out here closer to the shoreline, but nice little gazebo. All right, all the way out here just to do it. Now what? I don't know how long this video is at this point. Maybe I'll just go sit down in the RV and make a snack and lunch. And by the way, stopped and got groceries, I said, right? I made an effort to spend less time in the bakery and more time in the produce section getting fruits and vegetables. I need to get on the ball here and start eating better and spend more time on my bicycle or double down on walks with Bella and such. I really need to start taking better care of myself. Anyway, I might just go sit down and get this video edited and hope for better weather in the days to come. Thanks for coming along today. I'll see you next time.